It's back to school and farewell to summer. Aside from pumpkin spice lattes, flannels, and fall, here's what's on deck for the month of September, presented by Ace Ticket. The PGA Tour's best bring their swings to TPC Boston for the Dell Technologies Championship Labor Day weekend. Give summer one last kiss and be who you are with Pearl Jam as they take over Fenway Park September 2nd and 4th. The Red Sox season winds down with an extra-long mid-September homestand, followed by a trio of games in the Bronx. They wrap the regular season at home against the Pinstripes. Drake makes headlines with 3 shows at TD Garden. The Patriots open their season at home against the Texans before hitting the road for stops in Jacksonville and Detroit. Then it's back to Foxborough to finish the month against the Dolphins. While they're gone, Ed Sheeran brings the A-team to Gillette Stadium. The Bruins preseason goes international as they play the Flames in China. The Celtics start their preseason in Charlotte as Bruno Mars borrows TD Garden for some uptown funk before the Seas hit the parquet at home against the Hornets. For the best seats to all of these events, go to aceticket.com.